Hey everyone, welcome to AWS Hackers. My name is Afshan, and in this video we are going to launch static website on Amazon S3. As you guys know, we are working on the hands-on tutorial of AWS. So in this video we are going to launch a static website by using Amazon S3. So I'm already logging to my AWS account. Let's search S3, scalable storage in the cloud. First we'll do the practical stuff, and after that we'll learn the theory. Okay, so let's click on S3, that is simple storage service. Store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. So this is the new UI of Amazon S3. This is the updated console, I can say, Amazon console. So let's create the bucket. We'll use the bucket name as our DNS. Okay, so we don't have to launch a DNS in this particular example. So we'll keep things simple. So let's write the hacker most famous hackers.com. Let's see if it is globally accepted or not. Bucket name must be globally unique and must not contain space or uppercase letters. Okay, so mostfamoushackers.com will be our website. AWS region, Asia Pacific, Mumbai will be fine. Okay, I don't want to change the region. Okay, ACL are disabled, that is recommended. We'll learn more about this object ownership in more detail. And here is the best part, block public access setting for this account. So this is the safety measure Amazon has provided. So I will uncheck this, block all public access. So we have to acknowledge that the current setting might result in this bucket and the objects within becoming public. So by default, all the objects in the bucket are private. So we'll see that in the practical. Make sure that you uncheck this setting. We'll create the bucket policy. Bucket versioning, okay. Let's leave this topic now. Tags, default encryption is disabled. We'll learn more about this encryption in our later videos. Let's create the bucket. Okay, so here is our mostfamoushackers.com bucket is created. Okay, so let's click on our bucket, that is mostfamoushackers.com. Go to the properties, and this is our ARN number, that is Amazon resource name. Creation date is also here. You have to go down, and here is the option, that is static website hosting. So let's click on edit and make sure you enable this setting, that is static website hosting. We also have hosting type option, host a static website and redirect request from an object. So in this example we are going to use the first one, that is host a static website, and we have to provide two documents. Okay, the first one is index.html, and error.html. So the index is the home or default page of the website, and the error document is optional, but we'll provide the error document as well. Okay, let's save the changes. Cool. Now click on the objects. We have to upload the index.html and error.html files. Click on upload. Click on add files. I have index.html page here on my desktop. Click on open. The index.html is there. Let's add the error.html. Error.html. Open. Okay, let me show you how it looks. This is our index page. Okay, the most famous hacker. I'm sorry, like I'm not that much creative, guys, so sorry about the site. I have just posted pictures of hackers here. you can use your own blog site or maybe any other site. You can use your creativity. I'm not creative basically, so I have just stick pictures of the hackers, and the title is most famous hackers. If an error occurs, so this particular page will be displayed that hacker is sleeping. Okay, so let's click on this upload. Okay, now error.html and index.html is there. Status is succeeded. Great. So our files are here. Click on the properties and go down. You will see that the bucket website endpoint is here. Copy it and let me close these tabs. Continue to site. 403 forbidden, access denied. So this has happened because all objects in the S3 are private by default. So we have to create the bucket policy. Okay, so AWS S3 static bucket policy. If you just write this keywords, you will see this documentation. Bucket policy. Go down. So here is the bucket policy we have to attach. We'll learn bucket policy in our other video, but for this video, just understand the effect is allow. We are allowing to access this resource, that is S3. So let me copy it. Go to the permissions. And here is the bucket policy. We have to edit this. Click on edit. Paste the bucket policy here and wait. Copy this ARN Amazon resource name and just change the bucket name. Paste it here and make sure that you are not deleting the slash and star. The effect is allow, the principal is star, that is all, and the resource is our S3 bucket. Okay, let's save the changes, and here you can see the publicly accessible. Now let's go back. Great, our most famous hackers are here. So we have successfully hosted our static website on S3, and this will be our domain name for this video, like mostfamoushackers.com. Like I have just copied these things from W3 school. So I hope you like the site, guys, because it is most famous hackers site. Okay, so this is how you can host the static website, and here you can also use in the object, you can also create folder of your images like this. Folder name may be images, image, or img. Folder names can't contain the slash, so we are not using that. Let's create folder. If you have images, you can store your images here in the image folder, and we'll put the link in a description box of this particular document. At this point, Amazon S3 only support the static website on HTTP, okay, port 80. But in our next video, we'll see how we can make it more secure, okay, with the help of CloudFormation. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues who are learning about AWS and cloud computing. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.